So I just got this Hamilton Beach coffee grinder, and I was trying to figure out how to disassemble the whole thing. And as far as the cover, it's easy to remove. You just basically pop it off, and that comes off. And then I saw that there's another chamber called the coffee grinder, or the grinding chamber, and I was trying to remove it, and I couldn't. I was looking at YouTube to see if I could find some instructions, and I couldn't find any. So all you have to do is basically um, hold the top and then twist it clockwise, and you should feel it come off, and you just pull it out. And you to put it back in, you just do the opposite, and that's how you take off the grinding chamber to clean it. Hope it helps somebody.